Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of the Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines. Lonavala imposes curbs on tourists, Section 144 at dams and attractions. J&K government organises 3-day festival in Gurez Valley to promote tourism. Uttarakhand to be leading state in tourism by 2027, says Chief Minister Dhami. Karnataka government to install a ropeway at Nandi Hills, conserve archaeological monuments. Environmental concern grow as space tourism lifts off. Eiffel Tower reopens after 9-month COVID closure. The Pune administration in the city imposed a curfew with a 1-kilometer radius of popular tourist spots to avert overcrowding in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The decision to impose Section 144 at these spots at the hill station was announced on Friday. Dilip Pawar, Senior Police Inspector, Lonavala Police Station, said, "We carried out Nakabandi operations in at least 8 to 9 spots. Tourists coming in on vehicles from Pune and Mumbai were not allowed to disembark, asked to take a U-turn and return to where they came from." In a bid to boost tourism in Gurez Valley in Bandipora district, the Tourism Department of the Union Territory has organized a 3-day festival. Dr. G.N. Itu, Director of Tourism in Kashmir, said Gurez not only has scenic beauty but the local culture, including music and dance, is also attractive. In terms of adventure, fishing, rafting, trekking, and even for nature walks, this is a good destination. The tourists are bound to take away a unique experience from here. The Karnataka Tourism Department is soon installing a ropeway at the popular hill station Nandi Hills, which is an hour's distance from Bangalore. That's all we have for you for today's edition of The Bottom Line. Stay tuned for more such travel industry updates. Have a great day.